everyone, I'm Aisha and I'm a qualified nutrition and weight management consultant. In this video and future series of videos to come, I want to be talking to you about how to deal with overeating in Ramadan. So salam alaikum. So let's jump into it. You see, in order to avoid overeating in Ramadan, what you need to do is to eat quality of food in smaller amount. You don't want the quantity, you're just after the quality of food, yeah? You don't want to eat like this. Definitely that's junk food. You really don't want to do that. So the Prophet ﷺ said, man does not fill any vessel worse than his stomach, related by At-Tirmidhi. You don't want to eat like this either. It's really unhealthy. So what you want to do ahead of time, you want to be planning ahead of time. Yeah. Some people cook, like say, in 1 month in advance and freeze it. Other people maybe weekly. And then the smaller items like salad, fruits, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours before you break your fasting, you just want to go and do them. So once you do that, you are surrounded with healthy alternatives, not junk food like this one with saturated fats. Also, point number 3 is when you want to break your fasting, it's really brilliant to start with a glass of water and some dates. After that, give it about half an hour and then you can come back and eat something. You can just go and do your Salatul Maghrib, and then by that time your stomach has gone down. There's room for you to eat more quality food in smaller amount. Then you come back, have some more, and then you can step away from the food. The tendency is, if you stay around your food, you see everything there on the table, you will eat. So you just move away from it and then go and do something, go and do your zikr, and then you can come back for it. Go and do your, salas, and then you can come back and eat when you feel hungry. And when you are eating, as soon as you start to feel full, like say 80% full, just stop. And you will have a good relationship with your food and you will not overeat, inshallah. So what I am doing for you in this video is giving you some recipes, yeah, free recipes of soup. This, the green one, molokhia soup and prawn soup. Molokhia, I really like molokhia because I usually eat molokhia soup. So I have got some recipes you can download. All you need to do is to click the link below this video here, and then you will be able to go and put in your name and email address, and then you can download it and then you can enjoy. They're really simple to make. Yeah. So this video is short and sweet as usual. So don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And also, I will be seeing you in another video, inshallah. So you take care now. Salam alaikum. Happy iftar.